So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this limit and there are four options and we have to tell this limit is equal to which limit. So this is multiple choice correct problem. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, let's calculate the limit of this thing. So we have this thing. So what you can do, you can multiply by root x plus 1 plus root x in the numerator and denominator. Then in the numerator you have this x plus 1 minus x, and in the denominator you have this. So after simplifying, this will come in this form, and then if you put limit extending to infinity, what you can do, you can take root x common from the denominator and you have this form. And then if you put extending to infinity, you will get this limit as half. So this limit value is half. So now we have to see which limits have value equal to half. So if any of these four options have limit equal to half, then that will be the correct option. So let's see first option. So we have ln 1 plus x minus x divided by x square, and the limit is extending to 0. So you know ln 1 plus x expansion, it is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. And here we have minus x, so this and this will cancel, and we will get this minus half if you put limit extending to 0. So this x square and this x square cancel, and the remaining thing is minus half, and other term will have terms containing x, so that will be 0. So this limit is minus half, so this option is not correct. So let's see B option. So in the B option we have this limit. So you know 1 minus cos x, we can write it as 2 times sin x by 2 whole square, and then you can write this x square as 4 multiplied by x by 2 whole square. Now limit extending to 0, you know sin x by x limit is 1. So similarly this limit is also 1, and the this 2 and 4 cancel, and the remaining thing is only half. So this is correct option. So B is correct option. So let's see the C option. So in the C option we have this limit. So what you can do, uh, you know in the numerator you have this 1, so you can write this 1 as 1 power half. So root of 1 is also equal to 1, and this x you can write as 1 plus x minus 1. Now you can write this 1 plus x minus 1 in this form, like root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 and multiply by root of 1 plus x minus 1 root. So this. So now this factor and this factor will cancel, and this will this, and if you put limit extending to 0, this will be half. So this is correct option. So let's see the last option. So in the last option you have this. So what you can do, you can take root x common from the denominator, and if you take root x common from the denominator, you will have this. Now if you put limit extending to 0, this will be 1 divided by root of 1 plus root of infinity type, because 1 divided by 0 is infinity. So this will be 0. Eventually this limit will be 0. So this option is not correct. So only B and C option are correct, and in this way we can solve this.